Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, I have my old coil packs on both sides. The car is really close to the wall, really close to the front door. But what I'm about to do is, got my charger on. As you guys can see, it's like really close, can't even get to the other passenger side. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this side coils. Then I'm going to replace the other side as I move the car over to the left. So actually I might just move the car to the right, to the left a little bit. I'm going to move this stuff out of the way and move the car just a little bit out this way so I can squeeze behind there and get that done. Let's remove this cover out of here. Alright guys, so we got the car moved over a little bit, just enough I can squeeze in front. Alright guys, so let me get over the couple sockets and see where we at with all of them. Going to be using these guys right here, MSD, and that's the wires we have, but we do not have all the coil packs on. These are the stock, so we're just gonna go ahead. Good. Alright, so these are the difference with the MSD. And they all have the same plug in front up here. So let's put these guys on. So this is really old and rusty coil, and it's also broken. So this one was misfiring for me. I mean, it would run good, and then it would misfire for a little bit, and then it would run out good again. But that's why I ordered the new ones, and we got to put these guys on. So just like that, we got the coils on here, and it literally took 2 minutes. So these are the cables that I have on the car. Let me show you the ones these are the guys. The ones I really want to go with. These guys are pretty thick, and they are really good insulated, so they're not gonna cause. So it goes like this. Now, removing these wires because they're really old. I don't know why, but it looks like they're a little rusty inside. So plug wires. I'm gonna remove these as well, but let me show you the spark plugs. So these are the spark plugs, NGK with the radium LX that I got going into this car. So I'm going to be going with these guys instead of the one I had inside. But let me go ahead and get some tools out of the way. So maybe we can swap these right away. We got the lights on, the heat's kicked on, and let me start working on here. See how much. So when you're pulling these guys off, make sure you always, if you wanted to use them, make sure you hold them here and then pull them off, and or on the bottom right here, because see, this one is a little rusty as well, because you can rip them out. If you pull on the wire itself, you can probably yank them out. Then if you're not planning on reusing this, then you can go ahead, buy yourself an extra set that you don't even have to. So they're a little bit different. They work a little bit differently. But at the end of the day, I think these are a little lighter. Maybe I should have gone with the same ones that I had on here. But I think we'll go with these guys, and if anything changes, if we burn these guys out, then I think we can go with the other ones which we have. And if you guys think these are overdoing it, let me know, please, comment down below. Let me know that I'm overdoing it. It's my first time doing a LS work, besides my engine getting out and getting put back in. But everybody got their own preferences. But if you think I'm overdoing it with these big thick wires, I don't know, I might change them up. Alright boys, so we're back to this side. Alright guys, so I think they look, I really think this looks really good. The way the MSD red goes with the car, with the engine on the top of it. Now let me show you a little bit more. So these are the wires, MSD coils, they're in here. So is the other side. We got them all hooked up. Alright, looks really nice. Let's get the door open and let's start the car, see how everything is running. I'm gonna put you guys over here. Boy. Yeah, that's a power steering for it. Now let it warm up a little bit and take it off for a spin. Alright guys, so we're back in a car. We got a coil pack, spark plugs, wires, everything hooked up. The car is running nice and good. A bunch of lights, warning lights are on, but I'm not concerned about those too much. Other than that, the car runs pretty good. Alignment needs to be addressed as soon as possible. I mean, alignment is all over the place. The road is not any good, but alignment is bad. It's not any better, but so let's back her up. One thing that sucks about these Corvettes, you can't see nothing outside. I mean, when you're looking at the mirror, you really can't see a lot. So is this one right here. I mean, it looks wider than my garage, but it does actually fit in there. It does actually sound really good now.